Today I'm going to teach you how to cancel, delete, or void a bill in Xero. This is essential when you need to remove incorrect bills or invoices that were created by mistake, helping you keep your financial records accurate and up to date. First, open your web browser and navigate to Xero.com. This will take you to the Xero homepage where you can access your account. Once the page loads, look for the sign in button and click on it. You'll be prompted to enter your Xero credentials. So go ahead and type in your email address and password to log into your account. After successfully signing in, you'll land on your Xero dashboard. From here, direct your attention to the main navigation menu where you'll find various options for managing your business finances. Click on Purchases in this navigation bar. When you do this, an expanded window will appear, showing you additional menu options related to your purchase transactions. From the expanded menu that just appeared, click on Bills. This section houses all the bills you've created or received in Xero, making it easy to manage your accounts payable in one centralized location. You'll now see a list of all your bills displayed on the screen. Now it's time to locate the specific bill you want to void, cancel, or delete. Scroll through your list of bills until you find the one you're looking for. Once you've identified the bill you wish to remove, click directly on it to open the full bill details. This will bring up a detailed view of that particular bill. With the bill now open in front of you, look towards the top right corner of your screen. Here you'll see a button labeled Bill Options. Click on this button and a drop-down menu will appear with several actions you can take on this bill. Among these options, you'll see Void, which is exactly what we need. Click on the Void option. Immediately after clicking, a confirmation window will pop up on your screen. This is Xero's way of making sure you really want to proceed with voiding this bill, as this action will remove it from your active records. The confirmation message will ask if you're sure you want to void this bill. Simply click OK to proceed and confirm your decision. Give the system a moment to process this change and update your records accordingly. And that's it. You've successfully voided the bill in Xero, removing it from your active accounts and keeping your financial records clean and accurate. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.